Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. Pot of conch here and bumper there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No! 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy barked and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you. Ooh-three. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. But wait. What's that sound? Kitty's cake is dancing round. Shake, shake, shake. Spin around. The crazy cake is bouncing round. Pretty's birthday starts today. Balloons and candy everywhere. Presents stacked up by the wall. And friends are dancing big and small. Happy birthday, clap, 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 clap. Kitty wears a party hat. Happy birthday to you, Peckoi. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Peckoi. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Big cake sits on the stand. Kitty smiles and starts to dance. But suddenly the cake says, hey. Then jumps right up and runs away. Shake, shake, shake. Catch the cake. Don't let it escape today. Cake rolls fast across the floor. Kitty chases out the door. Happy birthday to you, Peckoi. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Peckoi. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Cupcakes bouncing left and right. Candles glowing super bright. Spin, spin, spin. Twirl around. Birthday magic all around. Cake spins like a disco ball. Frosting splashes on the wall. Sprinkles flying through the air. Kitty lights them out of care. Happy birthday to you, Peckoi. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Peckoi. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Spin, spin, spin. Twirl around. Birthday magic all around. Cake slows down and starts to sing. Happy birthday, Kitty Queen. Kitty hugs the magic cake make blood. Then they eat a giant slice. Happy birthday, hooray, hooray. Kitty's party saved the day. Happy birthday to you, Peckoi. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Peckoi. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Peckoi. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday. Happy Sing and learn with Kitty Boo. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, nose, where are you? Here I am, I sniff things too. Kitty giggles, what a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. Oh no, no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Wow. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Baby shark says no, no, no. I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere, he said. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky. Just for you. Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends the game. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again. Moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams lullaby saves the day. Sweet dreams now, hip hip hooray. The numbers are disappearing. Oh no! Some numbers are hiding in Kittyland. Kitty can't find them. Can you help? Let's play peekaboo and find all the numbers. Mr. One, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, said peekaboo, I found you, number 1. Mr. Two, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 2. Mr. Three, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 3. Mr. Four, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 4. Mr. Five, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 5. Mr. Six, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 6. Wow! Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 7. Mr. Eight, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 8. Mr. Nine, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 9. Mr. Ten, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 10. Celebrate! Yay, let's dance! Kitty found all numbers today. Peekaboo game, let's all play. Wow. From 1 to 10, we had fun way. Counting adventure is done. Everyone's here. Let's celebrate. Hey, let's dance. This place is so wow. Kitty walks to school at night. Moon is glowing soft and bright, but the gate goes creak open slow. Kitty whispers, "Is someone there?" Wind drip dress when everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, that never stops. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, "Hey, slow down!" But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, "That's kinda cool." Coach just laughs, "Welcome to school." Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, "I'm your friend." Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Cue it, witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play.